This is lesson 5, part 2. Let's understand some new vocabulary in the story. Get to, it means do. They get to the script, they do the script, or write the script. They get to decide the rules, they began to decide the rules. Have in common, it means share. I have something in common with my friend. We like football. It means I share liking football with him. Script means a conversation in movies or plays. When you watch a movie, the actors are talking. What the actors are talking is called the script. It is written for them and they study it before they make the movie. Role means a character. Like in movie you see a doctor, so his role is doctor. You see a lawyer, his role is lawyer. You see a teacher, his role is teacher. Creating the proofs, it means giving the actor what he needs in his movie or play. Giving the actor what he needs in his movie or play. So, the role of creating the proofs for a lawyer is giving him the suit of lawyer, the case of lawyer. The creating the proofs for a teacher, it means giving the actor a marker and giving him a board to perform as a teacher. Creating the proofs for a doctor, it means giving the doctor the coat and the stethoscope to be a doctor. Disappointed, disappointed, disappointed. It means sad, very, very sad or depressed. Customs, customs. It means close. Schedule keeper. He is the one that controls the time for characters. He makes sure that each character takes the suitable time in the play or movie. Take a group vote. Take a group vote. It means see who agrees and who disagrees. If you are with your friends and you want to know who agrees to eat ice cream and who agrees to drink juice, it means you take vote. Take a survey. Ask questions to know other people's opinion. You take a paper and write the question and you give it to the group of people. And you, from the answers of these questions, you know what do these people think about. When you count the people in the vote, when you count the people who answer the question, it means tailed. Ta- Tallied. Tallied means counted. Tallied means counted. Now let's go back to our story. The story tells us that Arshad was excited to start a new school year. He met his neighbor Zina, and they are friends. They spend time together talking about building things. They had a lot in common. It means they share a lot of things. Okay. In the class, they the class was going to write and perform a play about being healthy. So they are going to make something like movie, but you watch the movie on the screen of cinema or screen of your laptop or screen of your TV. But in the play, you watch the actors in front of you on something which is called the theater. In the play, you watch the actors in front of you in on the theater. Each group will get to write a script. Get to write a script it means a group of students will do or will start writing the conversation for the actors. The teacher announced means the teacher said that. He said, decide or think what is the role of each person in the project. Then you will need to agree on the story. It means who will write, who will act, and who will create the props or give the actors what they need, who will be the schedule keeper or who will control the time. That's what the teacher means. Rashad and Zina felt lucky they were good in the same group because why they are lucky because they are friends. Okay, the group began picking the rule or deciding the rule or choosing the rules for the project. Rashad loves building things, so he picked the role of creating the props. So the Rashad will give the actors what they need. If they need stethoscopes, if they need coats, if they need ties, if they need suits, if they need t-shirts, he will give them what they need. So he she did, and Zena also likes make things. She decides to make the customs. So Zena will share with Rashad the props. He will decide he and Zena will decide the customs or the clothes and giving the actors what they need. The other group members talk the rules of script writers and the schedule keeper. It means the other students in their groups will write the conversation for the characters and will control the time when the characters or the rule or when the characters start acting on the theater. What happened here that Rashad shows a story. Zena didn't like the story. She made a mistake. Here Zena laughed at Rashad's idea. It is bad to laugh at people because it means that Zena made fun of Rashad's idea. Rashad was angry and he do this, folded his arm and pointed. Look at his arm and look at his lips. He is not happy. She is smiling. He is not smiling. He is not happy. He folded his arms. He put his arms like the shape in the picture, crossed. He crossed his arm. He closed his eyes. He was sad. Now we want to learn that we shouldn't make fun of people and we should respect their feelings. Respect feelings means empathy. So we have here an activity. What will you do in each of these situations? Remember that you have more than one answer. You can have more than one answer. Number one, your friend makes fun of someone in class. What will you do? Ask your friend to stop, say nothing and walk away, ask for an apology. I think we could say here, ask your friend to stop. Let's match it. Your friend pressures you to do something you don't want to do. Your friend pressures you to do something you don't want to do. He keeps asking you to do it again and again and again. What will you do? Walk away and find other friend to be with. That's a good answer. Your friend doesn't listen to your ideas. What will you do? You can be a friend, listen, and support and speak up. Your friend tells your secrets to other people in class. What will you do? Say nothing and walk away, or get help from an adult, or be a friend, or walk away and find another friend? We could say here, walk away and find other friend to be with. This is a good answer. Get help from an adult. This is also a good answer. We can choose one of them. And also could say here, ask your friend to stop. All of these are correct answers. Last one, your friend spreads rumors about someone in the class. I think the best answer for this, the best answer, if your friend spreads rumors, Let me find my pen. Okay. Get help from an adult. Get help from an adult. Let's stop here.